besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. Today we're going to talk a little bit first before a Temu haul. I am going to get into a Temu haul. I've tried to record this like 3 times. I don't know what is going on with my camera today when I transfer the... Anyway. So we are going to talk a little bit about Luisa Jewelry first. They sent me a couple of pieces. I've worked with them before in the past. With Mother's Day coming up very, very soon, I always do something very special with my mom. And, you know, she's just a very important person in my life. Luisa Jewelry is a very long-lasting, hypoallergenic, water-resistant, sustainable jewelry line. Their designs start at about $39. They have very, very fast shipping with free shipping anywhere in the United States. Crazy affordable options, worry-free guarantee. You get a 2-year warranty on all of your products. So I picked out a pair of earrings and also a very dainty bracelet. I love Luisa Jewelry. They make the perfect Mother's Day gifts. They're doing a promotion right now that lasts until May 14th. And they just have some really wonderful pieces you guys should check out. Really great products. I wear these Eden earrings almost every single day. I absolutely love them. I think I'm going to get them in gold as well. I think they're superb. I've even worn them in the shower. They're just really great. So I hope that you check them out. I'll leave a link below of how to get to their website, and please just check them out. Check out their Instagram, check out their socials, and just see what they're all about. They have some really good pieces. The more you buy, the more you save. You can save up to 25% if you buy 3 or more pieces, so that's quite a good bargain. Okay, Kermit's gonna maybe get into our Temu haul here, so let's get that started. The first item I got, I couldn't wait to show you guys this. And I'm sorry if the lighting is bad, but I'm upstairs today in my living room, so hopefully it's not too bad. This is the first item I got. It was literally $10, and that's like a lot for me, but I had to have this, you guys. You know how we all love the cloud cutters? Well, this is a cat claw cutter. This is so adorable. The packaging is adorable. But yeah, it was 10 bucks. It wasn't a cheap cutter by any means, but look how stinking adorable it is. I love it. It's so stinking cute. And the blade looks like a little cat claw. I mean, how cute is that? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm so happy to have that. I love it. Okay, then with spring and summer coming up, there's going to be a little gardening going on here at my house, or some planting, and I bought these. They're like watering stakes. You put the stake down into the plant, you screw on a bottle of, like a plastic bottle of water here, and then you can adjust this nozzle to make it drip as fast or as slow as you want. So you get 5, I'm sorry, you get 5 of these for $3.63. And yeah, it's just a little plastic piece. You put a bottle on the top there and it just leaks the water. It's really kind of cool. So that way, if I forget to water my plants and it's been a really, really hot day, at least they won't die on me. So, you know, and it gets very hot out here on the deck out back because that's where all of the sun comes in. So I have to really watch out there. Okay, then I got this shirt. It was, or top, I should say. How much was it, Jen? It was $8.10. Now, I'm going to have to press this. And it doesn't look like the material is too bad. But it's like a baby doll. No, not that. A baby doll kind of top. Like at the waist, it's like stretchy in the front. And then the sleeves are, you know, they're short. But they have this stretchiness on them as well. Okay, Kermit's gonna lay down here beside me, I think. All right, okay. Hi, a good boy. You're a good boy, Kermit. Okay. So, yeah, it looks like this. Kind of reminded me of like a garden type of theme thing. But it's really flowy and kind of pretty, so I'm hoping it works out. But it definitely needs pressed. And so I did actually get a steamer for clothes. Because a lot of the clothes I feel like when you get from Shein or Temu, you really, really have to steam them, you know, to make them even look right. So I did get a steamer, And you can use this on wigs too if you wanted to. But this was $16.89. It's just a garment steamer for clothes, pillowcases, curtains, you know, anything really. Your wigs, you can use it on your wigs for sure. So I'm going to try it out. I feel like a lot of the clothing pieces I get, if I get them from Temu or Shein, they definitely need pressed or something. So Kermit is literally right in the way, but that's okay. We're gonna work around you, Kermie, okay? We're gonna work around you. We're gonna try to anyways. So it comes with a cord attached, like it obviously, I guess, right? So it's small, handheld. They had this in different colors, but this green one was the cheapest one, and I'm like, I literally could care less like what color it is. So it looks like this. Then you put this on the top. Well, you fill it with water. You put this on the top. It shows you right here how, like, where it needs to be to lock it. And then here's the water fill part. So you want to fill it to the top where it says. You turn it on and then you just steam your garment. It's going to be really, really hot when it comes out of here. So you have to be careful. But yeah, I definitely need one of these. It should come in handy. I'm going to try and steam that shirt after this video to see if I can get the wrinkles out of it and then try it on. But yeah, you just twist the top and add your water right in there. Kermit is trying to get in this bag. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we will try this out if I can get the... Okay, come on, top, work with me. It has to go on like a certain way. There it goes. But this is kind of cute for like 16 bucks. I mean, it looks like it's good quality. The cord's really like heavy, you know? So yeah, I like that. Okay, then I got this pair of flip-flops for $5.09. I don't know if they're worth, no. I don't know if they're worth $5. I mean, I could probably go to Walmart and get something like this cheaper, but I thought they were really cute. They're like black with like a floral type of print to them. They're cute, but they're, you know, just kind of flimsy. You know, I don't know. I don't know if I would like, I wouldn't wear these walking around a ballpark all day or anything like that. You know what I mean? I'd maybe wear these out front or go into the mailbox or out on the deck in the summertime. But they are really cute though. So $5 for those. I usually get quite a bit of flip-flops and shoes like that from Temu or Shein this time of year. They have some really cute flip-flops. Okay, then I got this like Skims type of tank top. I've bought these so many times. I don't know why I do this to myself. Actually, this one's more like a bodysuit, I think, but I thought, well, if anyone's having like a summer wedding or anything like that, I like to wear some type of garment underneath that kind of sucks me in. But this was $10.20. So it's like a one-piece type of deal. And, you know, it buttons in the crotch area. But I believe you wear a bra with this because I think this sits like underneath your bustier. But yeah, it looks like it's, you know, it's got some really good boning to it. So yeah. And then the butt part has like a little bit of a shearing there. So I don't know. But anyways, we will try it on and see how that does. Because I would like to get a couple of dresses for summer. I mean, that's a long shot though because I don't wear a lot of dresses. Okay, then I got these heart silicone molds. Now, usually people use these for soaps or baking or whatever. But if I didn't say it, they're $2.01. But anyways, I will use these for ice cubes because I like to put my coffee. Like I thought, oh, this would be so cute to put like coffee in here and make coffee heart ice cubes for drinks, for like iced coffee drinks. So that's what I got it for. I thought it was cute. For $2.01, that's what I'm going to be doing with it. And then I got this pair of hoops. Now, in one of my last hauls, I had a pair of earrings that had like broke. So I bought this pair of hoops to use instead. So they were only 84 cents. So, you know, I'm going to use them with the little danglies that come on those. But these are like really, they're actually pretty daggone good quality. They look really nice. They don't look like that cheap gold. They're actually quite nice. So I really like these. I really, really like these. So they were 84 cents. I think that's what that said. But really nice hoops. Very nice. Yeah, I like those. Okay, that's awesome. Hi, Kearney. What are you doing, Kermit? I don't know if you guys can see him. He is something else. Hi, Kermit. Okay, then I got these pair of shoes. They were $9.51, and I don't know if I will like these or not, but we're gonna try them. I thought they were adorable though, but they're very, very lightweight, so I don't know how well they'll hold up. But how stinking cute are these? Look how cute they are. They've got, you know, wedge heel, and then this is plastic. Well, this isn't, but this part right here is like a plastic. Yeah, I just don't know how comfortable they'll be, but look how cute they are. Like, aren't these adorable? They would be so cute with like a sundress or a pair of jean capris and a really pretty shirt. I mean, I just think they'd be cute dressed up or down. But this is the bottom of them. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think? I think they're adorable. I got them in a size 37, so we shall see. The area where your foot goes feels pretty decent. So they are really light though, like super light. No weight to those at all. So maybe that's a good thing, right? All right, Kermit. Okay, then I got this little pincher to like prune roses and stuff like that, or flowers. It was 84 cents. And you just, I don't know how to do this. I'm scared. I might have to look at the directions. I feel like this should come off. Oh, maybe you just do like this. You know? You gotta be careful though, because that is a razor in there. I don't know why this, does this just hold this together when you're not using it? I don't know. I might have to look at the picture to see what the deal is with that. But yeah, it's just, you can just hold it in your thumb and go around and prune stuff. So I don't know. I might have to look at the thing on that because that seems kind of weird. It seems kind of weird. A lot of this, so then I got some jewelry, okay? I got this necklace and earrings, and I got it in two different, I got it in silver and gold, so it's the exact same thing in silver. Now the gold one was $6.52, the silver one was $8.74, but it's really, really pretty. It's got that clover type of look to it that I like. Really pretty, and there are some, you know, CZs or whatever you want to call it on those clovers. So just really, really pretty. I really like it. And then again, I got it also in silver. And then I also got this set, which is very similar to that, but this one, it was $4.64. And it's really pretty too. But this gold isn't as nice as that other gold, and this is just a tangled mess in the back. But you get the earrings and then the pendant that matches. So it looks like this. The pendant is really pretty, and then it's got the earrings that match. So I thought that was really cute. Really like it. Really nice. Very pretty. I hope you guys can see it sparkling. And then, last but certainly not least, it wouldn't be a haul without a set of nails. So I got this set of nails. They were $2.92, and they come, you know, with the nail press on glue things, which I never use, and an orange stick and a file. And I thought they were just really, really pretty. They're like black and white, and a lot of times when I get these types of nails, like the nail bed part isn't a very nice color, but these look really pretty. Oops, sorry, Kermit's, get away from there. Get. Kermit's rubbing on my camera. Just really, I'm sorry if the camera is moving. Kermit is rubbing on it. Really, really pretty nails. So yeah, I know that was like a super quick haul, but I just thought I'd come upstairs and do a quick haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I just figured I'd do a haul in a different place just for something different. I will leave all of the information for Ana Luisa Jewelry in the description box below, and also in a pinned comment below. I'll also leave a link to my cart with all the Temu items. If you're interested in any of those, they will also be in the description box or in a pinned comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!